Yeah. And we are doing the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge.
Yeah.
We are in episode number 51.
51. Wow. 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Episode number 51. And if you stay with us till the end of the video, hit on the like button, hit on the subscribe button, and add a comment below. The first five fastest comments gets some exciting goodies. We are waiting for your comments. Give your suggestions on what we should be drawing next. Share your drawings with us and much more. Let's get started with this episode number 51, where we are going to draw the back to school drawing. Kids who went back to school after coronavirus is what we are gonna draw. Are you having fun with your school? Enjoying your school, enjoying your classes, enjoying meeting your friends? Great. So let's get started with the drawing of back to school boy.
Yeah. And 49 episodes more to
Go.
for 100 drawing.
Yes. 49 episodes more to go. Let's get started.
Let's start with the
the
eyes. And then the nose.
Keep it straight. The nose,
Wait.
the smiling face of the kid.
I said wait.
Okay. I'm just making the outline first. We'll do the drawing later. The hairs are done. And now the face. Okay.
Okay.
The ears.
I think I made my too big.
It's okay.
I'm not able to fit my drawing
Now
only.
the school boy's body.
Yours looks like a man.
Yes.
Mm,
So what does he have in his hand?
books.
This is not working, son.
Mine also doesn't.
So what I'll do is I'll use my Sharpie.
Here's Sharpie. The brush pen.
My brush pen.
Mine is not working. I don't. What should I use? I use this. It also looks like Sharpie.
You have a black sketch pen there?
Yep.
Wow. Okay. The shoulders.
Yep.
The boy holding the book. Okay.
Yours looks like a chef holding his vest.
Yes.
A man chef.
And now the legs.
Mine also looks like he is just wearing a apron.
His school bag. Can somebody even see the school bag?
I can't.
Okay. So that's the drawing using the brush pen.
Not really. You just did half of it on Sharpie. I don't left offline mine. Look, mine also is not working nicely.
Okay. Should we quickly color it up?
Wait.
That is the boy going back to school. While we wait for Parikshit to finish his drawing, what should we do? Keep waiting, and you also keep drawing.
Yeah, so you can just use some creativity.
I can use some creativity.
What? You didn't color the skin.
I don't want to.
You
Mine is a white one.
You will have to, Papa. It looks very bad.
Right? Back.